Autumn has arrived. Time to get your garden ready for the cooler months ahead. First things first, start gathering those fallen leaves and use them as mulch. It's like giving your soil a cozy blanket, protecting and nourishing it. You can also add fallen leaves to your compost pile and mix them with green lawn clippings for a nutrient-packed compost. Are your clumps of agapanthus or other perennials looking overgrown? Now's the time to divide them. If you're not planning on dividing them, just work some fine compost into their roots to keep them healthy. Speaking of healthy plants, now's the time to clean out old pots, window boxes, and hanging baskets. Refresh them with fresh potting soil, ready for both autumn and winter seedlings. As you're cleaning up, make sure you're also deadheading any summer blooms and trimming back hedges, giving your garden a nice tidy up. But don't do any heavy pruning, especially on frost-sensitive plants. If you've got rosemary, viburnum, or frost-sensitive plants, take semi-hardwood cuttings now to cultivate more plants in case of frost damage. Adjust your watering schedule and be sure to water earlier in the day now that the nights are cooler. And don't forget to feed your plants with a potassium-rich fertilizer to help them stay strong through winter. Autumn's calling. Head to your local GCA Garden Centre for all your gardening essentials. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to find one near you.